Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today's video we are reviewing the RD100 multifunction OBD2 plus EOBD. So what's in the box? You get this very nice small handheld OBD2 reader. Very sleek design, fits nicely in the hand. Let's get testing it out. Alright, first off you're going to locate your OB port, which will be something like this. Should be somewhere under here, and then you're gonna go ahead and plug it in just like that. So, and this is how it will look. You can go ahead, it says enter for menu, ESC for setup. We're gonna go menu. So you can diagnose, DTC lookup, review data, system setup, tool information. Let's do diagnose. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you put your key in and have it turn to the on position. Doesn't have to be start. So once you do that, then you go ahead and you just wait until it goes through the process. Alright, so now as you can see we got 10 major codes. Oh my goodness. So you can read the codes, erase the codes, live data, view, freeze, frame, IM readiness, O2 monitor test. Well, we know our O2s aren't there. Onboard, MON test, component test, vehicle information, modular, present, unit of measure. Let's go ahead and read the codes here. Let's do the stored codes. So we can see right here, and it tells us what code is what. So it tells us the issue, which all of these are ones that we've already known. Let's go ahead and let's go back here. You can erase the codes. So let's go ahead and erase all the codes. You can drop all the codes back. Done. Press any key. And then when you start your vehicle, you won't have a check engine light. Now, of course, if the problems are still there, it will come back up. So it all depends on a lot of different things. But yeah, you can do live data. For live data, you want to make sure your car is turned on, and just a whole bunch of other stuff. O2 test, I mean, we can go ahead and see different ones here. But yeah, so there's a lot of things that you can do with this, and you can also look up different codes as well. You can review data from your last scan. You can do system setup, which you got language, contrast, unit of measure, tool information, just tells you about this tool, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Overall, I'm very happy with it. It's nice and small, easy to store. I think we can give it a 7 out of 10, which would be about a 3.9 to 4.0. So probably about 4 stars out of 5. It works good. You can do a lot of things. Overall, I'm very happy with it. Link will be in the video description if you're interested.